In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts to the chart of accounts by importing a spreadsheet into QuickBooks. Managing your finances efficiently is crucial for any business, and QuickBooks Online makes it easy to stay organized. One of its powerful features is the ability to import multiple accounts all at once, saving you time and reducing manual errors. Whether you're setting up QuickBooks for the first time or simply expanding your accounts, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, you'll need to prepare your spreadsheet. Make sure it has clear column headers like account name, account type, detail type, number description, and parent account if you're planning to use sub-accounts. These columns will help organize your data and ensure it matches QuickBooks' requirements. Once your spreadsheet is ready, save it either as a CSV file, which stands for comma-separated values, or an Excel format. Both are compatible with QuickBooks. Next, open QuickBooks Online and head to your dashboard. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll access the settings. Click on it, and in the Settings menu, select Chart of Accounts. From there, click on Import Data, which will bring you to QuickBooks' import tools. You'll see several options, so make sure to select Chart of Accounts as the data type you want to import. Now, attach your spreadsheet. You can do this by either dragging and dropping the file or browsing your computer to locate it. Before moving forward, double-check that your file has only one header row and that all your account names are unique. This step is important because duplicate account names or extra header rows can cause errors during the import process. When you're ready, click Next to continue. Now comes the mapping process. This is where you'll match each QuickBooks field to the corresponding column in your spreadsheet. For example, map the account name field in QuickBooks to the account name column in your spreadsheet. Similarly, make sure to map the account type and detail type fields accurately. These fields are critical for correct reporting and transaction behavior, so take your time to ensure everything is aligned properly. If your spreadsheet includes account numbers or parent account columns, map those as well. For any fields that are not present in your spreadsheet, simply leave them unmapped in QuickBooks. Once you've completed the mapping, QuickBooks will provide a preview of the data. This is your chance to review everything carefully. Look out for typos, incorrect account types, or missing detail types that could cause issues later. If you see any red warnings, address them by adjusting the mapping or updating the values in your spreadsheet. When everything looks good, click Import to finalize the process. QuickBooks will create the accounts based on your spreadsheet data, and you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the import is complete. Finally, open your chart of accounts in QuickBooks to verify that all entries, including any sub-accounts, have been added correctly. Take a moment to review the list and ensure everything is in order. And that's it. You've successfully imported multiple accounts into QuickBooks using a spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.